Now GC, which is being wholly more cooperative, off the 4, I've got 5 down for a 1, 2. Then we've come down this morning and spiked the 123.6 fib. So we got past that 11.99 I was looking for, and we're pushing back up now. I'm looking for it to hold 12.07. It can come up a little higher, 12.12, 12.13 area, but it needs to stay below here and then drop down to at least 11.87, preferably 11.75, to continue in an impulse down for this final fifth in GC. And the only alternative would be, I mean, this is not a diagonal for a 1. It's come too deep. The alternative is we get a deep 4 and a 5, and we're only going to come down to around the 11.75 area. That worries me in terms of going down to the 11.49. So I really do want to see this stay below, call it 12.12 is kind of the limit of where I want to see it go up to, and I prefer 12.07 and then drop again in the GC. Let's just take that down then to the hourly time frame. And there you can see the hit on the 123.6 for the 3 of 3. This looks like the 4 now, and I'm looking for that next in GC, and I'd like to see that commence today.